Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Kaizer Chiefs reportedly in for Isaac Cisse from Golden Arrows. Bongiseni Mchecho might be on his way out. Um, Now look, interestingly, both of these players play the same position. Both are defensive midfielders. So could we see Isaac Cisse coming in as Bongiseni Mchecho's replacement? Cisse, of course, Golden Arrows player, 19 years of age, defensive midfielder, very talented player. On the ball, yeah, he's the opposite of Bongiseni Mchecho. He's very good on the ball, can beat the press, breaks the lines, can carry the ball. Very talented player. There's many teams interested in him, by the way. So it's it's going to be very difficult to get him. It's going to take a special offer to Golden Arrows to get him. Arrows are definitely going to sell to the highest bidder. So it will take a special offer. This is not one of them signings where you just go in with 5 million and expect to get the player. You get me? So it's going to be difficult, but we should be going all out to get C. So we don't have a natural central defensive midfielder besides Sibongiseni Mchecho. Cele is an 8, Mabue 8, Ndlovu 8. The only player in terms of personnel, you could say Chulani Mabaso, but should we be trusting him right now, to play a key part in the first team? I don't think so. He still needs time. So I think Cisse would come in as a very, very good addition there. I think he starts. He's proven himself in the Betway Premiership to attract interest from Al Ahly. You have to be special. But let me tell you something. I know how this will end. I know how this will end. I know how Kaizer Chiefs operates. This is not the first time whereby we are being linked with one of the best performing players of the season. And I know how this will end. We will end up renewing Sibongiseni Mchecho's contract and not sign Isaac Cisse. I'm not even trying to be negative, but I've seen this movie before. Yeah, I've seen Kaizer Chiefs, showing interest in one of the best performing players in that season, and then end up giving undeserving players new contract. So I think that's going to be the case, more especially with so much competition. Whenever it comes to a bidding war, uh, we come out second best. So I don't see this still happening as much as I'd love to see it happening. I'd love to see Cisse coming in and Kaizer Chiefs, but I think it's going to be a difficult deal, and I don't think our management, of course, will be willing to go that far. They will be willing to break their bank in order to get this. I think it's going to take a minimum of 10 million, which for me is reasonable. But it could be more, but I think 10 million will be the minimum, which for me it's a reasonable fee. But let's see. Yeah, hopefully, maybe I might get surprised, but I'm not shaken. I'm not shaken by this. Smash a like, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.